Wake up to endless, sweeping, layered mountain views as far as the eye can see. Welcome to your new hygge-inspired home, 15 Laurel Ledge, in the environmentally conscious Couch Mountain community, nestled on 200 acres in the Blue Ridge Mountains near Asheville, North Carolina. The homeowners built this superb green-built beauty as a healthy home from the ground up. The home's color and texture palettes were inspired by the winter hues of the Blue Ridge Mountains. True to the hygge philosophy, this home welcomes you the moment you walk in with a warm and cozy atmosphere that instantly puts you at ease. The decor is soft and soothing, with wooden elements adding a natural touch. Soft lighting creates a warm and comforting glow that makes you feel right at home. Every detail is designed to promote relaxation and comfort and to help you unwind. A very chic open floor plan features well-proportioned living spaces that flow seamlessly together, creating elegance and refinement. Every window in this home is just perfect with a captivating view. The bedrooms are designed with a sense of style and comfort for guests, with two exquisite primary suites situated on the main and upper levels. The terrace level bonus room and outdoor patio offers flexible space for your office, your gym, or even an additional bedroom. Couch Mountain uniquely features a 100-acre nature preserve with miles of trails, a private park, gardens with raised beds, a greenhouse, and even Bee Village, the neighborhood apiary. Renewable energy sources and green building techniques are strongly encouraged here, in keeping with the desire to preserve the world around us. With Blue Ridge Mountains just outside your door and cultural Asheville right down the road with so many new activities and amenities for you to discover, you'll find it all here at 15 Laurel Ledge, your new home.